In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print envelopes from Google Docs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Docs, which you can easily find by going to your Google Drive and selecting Docs from the top menu. Once you're there, the next step is to create a new document by selecting the blank page option. This will serve as your canvas to design the envelope. Once you're set up with a blank document, look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. This is where you'll find the tools you need to create your envelope label. From there, the option you need to select is Create Labels. This feature is particularly handy because it allows you to tailor the labels to the specific dimensions of your envelope. Next, you'll need to choose the appropriate label size for your envelope. This is a crucial step because choosing the correct size ensures that everything lines up correctly when you print. Take your time to find the right size that matches your envelope specifications. This might require a bit of measuring before you start, so be prepared to have that information handy. Now that your label is sized correctly, it's time to input the necessary details. Think carefully about what information needs to go on your envelope. Usually this includes the return address in the top left corner and the recipient's address in the center. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and clearly typed so that it prints well. With your information typed in, you might want to make some additional customizations to the template to fit your desired style. This can include changing fonts, adjusting text sizes, or even adding a logo if it's a business envelope. Remember, this is your chance to add a personal touch to your envelope, so make sure it looks just the way you want it. Finally, with everything set just as you like, it's time to print. To do this, simply click the print button. Before you start printing, ensure that your printer is loaded with envelopes rather than regular paper and that it's set to print to the size and orientation you've customized. And that's it. You've now created a custom envelope from Google Docs ready to be sent to its recipient. This process is not only straightforward, but also incredibly useful for both personal and business use. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to print beautiful, professional envelopes right from the comfort of your own home. Happy printing!